Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by verifying hardware and power. First, identify your camera's output, HDMI, SDI, USB, or a wireless stream, so you choose the correct cable or capture device. Next, inspect the display's input ports and any required adapters. Make sure you have an HDMI or SDI port or a compatible converter. Once done, lay out cables and power supplies and connect camera power first so the unit boots cleanly. This prevents handshakes from failing and reduces the chance of display detection issues. Now make the physical link and configure signals. Plug the appropriate cable from the camera output into the display or into a capture device connected to the monitor. If the ports differ, use an active adapter or converter so the protocols translate correctly. Passive adapters can fail for SDI or signal level changes. Once connected, set the camera's output resolution and frame rate to match the display or capture card, and enable clean HDMI or external output to remove overlays. This alignment and finish by powering devices in the right order and validating the image. Turn on the display or capture box first, then the camera so the sync can detect the source. Select the correct input on the monitor. Tweak exposure, white balance, and any LUT or scaling on the display for accurate preview. If you see no signal, systematically swap cables, try a known good port, or test the camera on another monitor. That single troubleshooting step, replace the cable, quickly isolates common faults and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.